Welcome. If you want to send a photo on Messenger that disappears after it's viewed, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you the simple steps to send a disappearing instant photo using Messenger's latest features, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. You can use this feature on both Android and iPhone. Once you're in, either start a new chat or open an existing conversation with the person you want to send the photo to. At the bottom of the chat screen, look for the camera icon. Tap it to open your camera right inside Messenger. Now take a photo by tapping the shutter button. If you want to get creative, you can add text or draw on your photo before sending. Here's the key step. Before you hit send, look for the timer icon, which looks like a little stopwatch or clock. Tap this icon to set your photo as view once. This means the person you send it to will only be able to see the photo one time. After they open it, the photo will disappear from the chat and can't be viewed again. Once you've set it to view once, just tap the send button. That's it. Your disappearing photo is on its way. The recipient will see a special icon on the message, letting them know it's a one-time view. After they open it, the photo vanishes, keeping your moment private and secure. This feature is perfect for sharing quick snaps you don't want saved or shared further. It's a great way to keep your conversations fun and private, just like sending a digital postcard that disappears after it's read. So, next time you want to send something special that doesn't stick around, remember these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.